Helicopters come in various shapes, sizes, and configurations, designed for different purposes and roles. Here are some of the different kinds of helicopters used around the world. Utility helicopters. These are versatile helicopters used for a wide range of tasks, such as the transport of passengers, cargo, and equipment. They often serve in civilian roles like emergency medical services, EMS, search and rescue, SAR, law enforcement, and aerial firefighting. Attack helicopters. Designed for military purposes, attack helicopters are heavily armed and capable of engaging ground targets. They provide close air support to ground forces and can engage enemy armor and infantry. Transport helicopters. Specifically built for transporting troops and cargo, transport helicopters are essential for military airlift operations and humanitarian missions. Scout helicopters. These helicopters are primarily used for reconnaissance and surveillance. They provide critical information to ground forces and assist in gathering intelligence. Maritime helicopters. Designed for operations over water, maritime helicopters are used for search and rescue at sea, anti-submarine warfare, and patrolling maritime boundaries. Heavy lift helicopters. These helicopters are designed to carry extremely heavy loads and are used in the construction, logging, and transportation of large and bulky cargo. Training helicopters. These helicopters are used to train new pilots. They are generally less complex and more forgiving to handle, making them suitable for flight schools. Electronic warfare, EU, helicopters. Equipped with advanced electronic warfare systems, these helicopters are used to disrupt and counter enemy radar and communication systems. Aerial crane helicopters. Used in construction and heavy lift operations, aerial crane helicopters are equipped with external hooks to carry and position large objects. News-gathering helicopters. Often equipped with camera systems, these helicopters are used by news media to cover live events from the air. Experimental helicopters. These are prototype or one-off designs used for research and development purposes to explore new technologies and innovations in helicopter design. Executive VIP helicopters. These helicopters are outfitted with luxurious interiors and are used for private and executive transportation. Autonomous drones, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. While not traditional helicopters with pilots on board, UAVs are a growing category of rotorcraft used for various purposes, including surveillance, delivery, and exploration. Each type of helicopter serves specific roles and functions, and their designs continue to evolve with advancements in technology and changing operational requirements.